am sharing some Scrappy goodness mail today. So a bit of a haul video. So this probably is more for my Aussie friends and just letting them know of a store that I shopped at here in Australia. So if you can check this out, this is Scrappy mail from the Scrappy Canary. If you can see that there, scrappycanary.com, and so that is a website, and they have a blog where they post layouts, and they have a storefront where they sell product. They also have a kit club, and they have a Facebook page, and I haven't checked out Instagram. I'm sure they probably have an Instagram account, but they have some gorgeous things there, and a lot of you might know Manda from the Nicole Gines 911 Facebook page. So she posts there, and she also has a YouTube channel as well. So I just wanted to show you that and show you some of the things that I got, and perhaps, you know, just tell you the price. So I've got the price here, just chopped out my address, etc. there. So basically she had some things that were that I couldn't get my hands on. So where I live, I couldn't get my hands on this Heidi Swap. So this was $7.95. So normally, you know, $10 for a little 6x6 paper pad. So this is the Heidi Swap 6x6 September Skies collection, and it has got some gorgeous pretty papers. So the reason I wanted this was because, you know, as you know, I get my hip kits, and the last two hip kits have had this collection in it. So I just wanted to make sure that I have a 6x6 paper pad as well, because I do enjoy the size of the smaller patterns. So maybe we started from start. I'll just give a quick flick. Hopefully you're seeing that. And it's got these gorgeous greens that have been showing up in, and there we go, starting from the start. So what does it say? It says nothing about how many pieces. 36 sheets of paper in there. So some are doubles. So that was that. And then I have got this, let me just, Heidi Swap glitter chipboard title that says happiness. So it's actually on chipboard, so it's not a sticker as such. So I hadn't been able to get a hold of that one, so that was really good. I'm knocking everything over. So that one there was like $4.25. And these jelly bean soup, I got 2 of them somewhere in my pile. Really organised haul video. Oh, I will find it. Put it somewhere. So I've got 2 of those, and they've got just some gorgeous words in them, and they were only $1. And what else have I got? The epoxy stickers. So these were only $3.95 for all the different words. So I love these stickers. If you are challenged with titles like I am, I love adding these stickers as my title, and they just add another little bit of something to the page. So I love those. What have we got next? This beautiful piece of gold vellum paper. So that was only $2.45. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So it's actually in the plastic still, but gorgeous piece of vellum with the gold in it. So I have seen a lot of people use this and just is stunning. So I wanted to get that. And the Serendipity paper pad, which I haven't been able to get here. So that was only $8.95. And my hip kit has been, the last 2 have been full of this line. So happy to have this in my stash as well. And what is next? the paper pads. So these paper pads were, this one was only $4. So it's the basic grey evergreen paper pad. So it's a Christmas paper pad. And for those who followed me for a while know that I don't really like Christmas, the reds and the greens of Christmas. But for $4 I knew that there would be papers in here that I would use. Not necessarily at Christmas time, and the others I will keep for cards or something, but you know, that one I can use for layering, that one can be for layering. You know, that is a beautiful watercoloured piece, and they've got this beautiful aqua, so I can use that out of Christmas. Beautiful yellow, lovely cream and white with the teal. So, you know, the brown, blue. So I can use these outside of Christmas time. So that was only $4. And this Teresa Collins one as well. I'm just trying to find that on... So that was only $4 as well. So the same thing. It's full of, like, that's not Christmas themed. And these are double-sided. So this is full of paper that isn't necessarily Christmas themed, that I'm going to be able to use throughout the year. So, you know, there might be a couple that's, you know, pretty Christmassy, but the other side isn't. So I think that is pretty good, and for that price, you know, can't go wrong. So just going to move that over. And what have we got next on this? These little snippets, so little cut apart sheets there, and they were only $1. So they are great for a little element to tuck in or a place to write your date. And then she also threw in a freebie for shopping at the store, so I got these little tidbits as well, or snippets I should say. So they are really cute. And these freckled fawn little wood veneer die cut packs, and they've got the letters that have come out of there, and they are in there, so you can use them on a layout as well. And they were only $1.50, so they were a really cute little bargain and will look really cute on the page. And then we've got these were $5.50, and you can't get these here, so we can't get Pink Fresh Studio in Australia. Well, I haven't seen them anywhere, so I was happy to grab myself 2 packets of those. And you know, I love the idea that they've got the colours inside of them and that they can nestle in, so you can have a rainbow of colours. Awesome, awesomeness. And what else is there? What's next? The tiny words. So these tiny little word stickers, $2.50. Gorgeous. Love tiny little word stickers. As you can see, I had some of these before in my last haul, and I got some of these again, so they were only $2.50 as well, and I just love adding them to my layouts, so quite happy to do that. And just turning over my page, so this little book here was $3.50 and has got how many pages? Doesn't say how many pages, but lots and lots and lots. So they are awesome for tucking pieces in, adding a little bit of black and white pop to a page, and just, yeah, I'm going to be excited to be using those. So that is a lot of fun. And they were, did I say that? They were $3.50, I think they were. And then this Teresa Collins, because who doesn't love Teresa Collins? Something Wonderful collection. So it's got the beautiful aqua and pinks, some pops of yellow, red, and the black and whites or greys. So that is really cute, and they were $3.50. So I was happy to get that. And these little cards. So these are the last little things. So these ones were the Teresa Collins ones were $4, and these ones were $3.50. And there's that other one. And what is missing? Journaling cards. Okay, so $3.50 each they were. Sorry about that. And then I added this as well, the Dear Lizzie ephemera, because I have, like I said, a lot of the Serendipity collection in my kits, but I hadn't been able to get hold of these shapes. So I'm just having a look on my sheet of paper if I can find them quickly. American Crafts, Dear Lizzie. So $7.95 for those. So, you know, I don't mind paying what I should pay for something. I don't always care about having to get as a bargain. So that is, you know, the average price here, but I can't get it in my shop. So that was awesome. And these little packs here are full of cards. So for $3.50, you can't go wrong. So there is a bit of a close-up look. And I'll quickly just lay them out so you can have a bit of a squiz. And they are double-sided as well, which is pretty cute. And some nice colours, so nice colours that can be used for a masculine layout as well. And just, yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous cards. So that is a look at those, and I'll let you have a look at them while I open this. Sorry about the crinkling of the packet. So, oopsie, just dropped one. Alright, so this one is the My Mind's Eye Jubilee collection, and we have had some of this collection in our hip kits as well, so that is good to use those. So I'll just pack these up. So these ones aren't really thick like the Project Life cards. They're quite thin paper, but for what I'm using them for, I don't need them to be thick paper. So this one has got a few little, what are they called? Like the little die cut frames that you would get out of your silhouette. So if you don't have a silhouette machine and you would love these die cuts, this is the way to go. So gorgeous little cards there. These ones aren't double-sided. They're just one-sided, but just as cute. So I will lay them out as well. So gorgeous colours again. And I think I can hear my phone. Okay, sorry about that. So just putting these rest of these cards out, and these ones are thin sort of paper as well, but for the price, I think, you know, if you're going to use them in your Project Life pages, they are awesome. Otherwise, you know, chop them up, layer them up, use them as little layering pieces. It's an awesome way to create a layout on a budget. So, you know, you can cut the card out of there, cut the little arrow out there, cut the words out. There's lots of things to cut and to layer and to use in your traditional 12 by 12 layouts or your Project Life. So yeah, that was my haul, and please do check out Scrappy Canary and you won't be disappointed. So there's the address again, and say hello to Amanda and check out her design team's blog. Like I said, they have some gorgeous inspiration there on their blog from their design team, and she has some lovely things in her shop, as well as monthly kits for those who are interested in an Aussie kit club. So check them out and you won't be disappointed, and I will see you next video. Bye!